Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to improve your credit score fast, no matter where you're starting from. These are real, proven methods that actually work in 2025. Step 1. Check your score, 0-20. First, check your current credit score. You can do this for free at websites like Credit Karma, Experian, or annualcreditreport.com. Knowing where you stand helps you see what needs improvement. Step 2. Pay down debt, 0-40. Your credit utilization, the amount of credit you use compared to your limit, makes up about 30% of your score. Keep it below 30% and your score will start to rise quickly. Step 3. Never miss payments, 1 o'clock. Payment history is the most important factor. Even one late payment can hurt your score. Set reminders or use autopay to stay on track. Step 4. Remove negative items, 120. If you have collections or errors on your report, dispute them with the credit bureau. Many times, false or outdated information can be removed, giving your score a quick boost. Step 5. Build positive credit, 140. Use a secured credit card or become an authorized user on someone's good account. This adds positive payment history to your credit file fast. Outro, 2 minutes, and that's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll see your credit score rise within weeks. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, good credit means more opportunities and less stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips every week.